Again to my another tutorial, and yes, for this tutorial I'm gonna sharing you how to fix this error message. Okay, you can drag it to Adobe Premiere Pro. So this is error. Okay, there was an error decompressing audio or video. So how to fix or how to solution this audio or video file? So we need to open your web browser. Okay, so you can search conversion.co. Okay, or search it again, or search more conversion. Okay, conversion to upload the audio file. Okay, and you can choose this file and upload the mp3 file. Okay, and click convert. Okay, this is a WAV audio file format, and convert the mp3 file. Okay, so wait for a few minutes and click download. So wait for a few minutes, you can download the audio file. Okay, after that, and click open file. Okay, you can go to downloads, and this is okay, drag it to a desktop site. Okay, and drag it to import media to start. Okay, and then drag it to media sequencer. Okay, you can play the song. I love this song. Okay, alright, and this is very fast solution. Okay,